नमस्कार हजुर सबैजनालाई सिक्किम क्रोनिकलमा म स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छु। म अहिले सिक्किम युनिभर्सिटीको 6 माइलमा हिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेन्टको बाहिर उभिरहेको छु र तपाईलाई म जानकारी दिन चाहन्छु कि यस हिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेन्टलाई अहिले युनिभर्सिटीले कोभिड-19 भ्याक्सिनेसन सेन्टरमा परिणत गरेको छ। तपाईलाई जानकारी गराउँ कि सेन्ट्रल गभर्मेन्टको गाइडलाइन छ कि जति पनि युनिभर्सिटिजहरू छ, सेन्ट्रल इन्स्टिट्युसन्स युनिभर्सिटी स्पेशली यसमा रहेका जुन हेल्थ डिभिजन हुन्छ, वहाँ हेल्थ डिभिजनको जति पनि कार्यकर्ताहरू हुन्छ उहाँहरूलाई निर्देश दिएको छ कि युनिभर्सिटीभित्र नै भ्याक्सिनेसन सेन्टर खोलिन पर्ने भनेर। र यसै कारणले गर्दाखेरि यहाँनिर भ्याक्सिनेसन सेन्टर आजदेखि सुरु गरेको छ सिक्किम युनिभर्सिटीको। र 45 वर्षभन्दा बेसी उमेर भएका जति पनि व्यक्तिहरू हुनुहुन्छ, यदि तपाईँले फर्स्ट डोज लिनुभएको छैन भने तपाईँले आएर फर्स्ट डोज लिन सक्नुहुन्छ। फर्स्ट डोज लिइसक्नु भएको छ र सेकेन्ड डोज लिन बाँकी छ भने सेकेन्ड डोज पनि तपाईँले आएर लिन सक्नुहुनेछ। र यसरी नै अर्को कुरो जानकारी गराउन चाहन्छु कि यदि तपाईँले कहीँ अन्य फर्स्ट डोज लिनुभएको छ भने पनि तपाईँले आएर विशेष यहाँनिर भ्याक्सिनेसन लिन सक्नुहुनेछ। तर तपाईँलाई जानकारी गराउन चाहन्छु कि यो भ्याक्सिनेसन सेन्टर चाहिँ मन्डे, वेडनेसडे अनि फ्राइडे मात्रै सञ्चालित हुनेछ। बिहान 10:30 आएर तपाईँले रेजिस्ट्रेसन गर्नुपर्नेछ। 11 बजीदेखि भ्याक्सिनेसन सुरु हुनेछ अनि 3 बजीसम्म मात्र हुनेछ, यो जानकारी दिएको छ। र यस विषयलाई लिएर हामीले सिक्किम युनिभर्सिटीका भाइस चान्सलर अनि सिक्किम युनिभर्सिटीकै डाक्टरसँग पनि कुराकानी गरेका छौँ। हेर्नुहोस् यो रिपोर्ट।
So I welcome members of the press to this hurriedly convened press conference. I'm really grateful to all three of you for having taken time out from your very busy schedule and to be with us. Basically, the idea of this press conference is not so much for publicity, but basically to inform people at large that Sikkim University is making a small contribution towards state government's vaccination drive in our own way. We are making a small contribution. We have a vaccination center which is in the history department of the 5th mile. Yes, sir. Yes. Under the able leadership of Dr. Manjushri Thapa and her colleagues in the health clinic here. And it is my request to all people at large, not only the Sikkim University staff, but people for whom it is convenient to come to our vaccination center. Please do come. This vaccination center is going to run for 3 weeks, or thrice in a week, for 3 weeks. Please get yourself vaccinated and help the state government and our country to fight this very terrible disease called COVID-19. So I have prepared a press communique. I will read it out. It's a small 5-minute thing, and I will give it to you from my side. And then after that, Dr. Manjushri Thapa will elaborate on various aspects of the disease and what is and the protocols and timings of the vaccination center, etc. So, members of the press, the second wave of COVID-19 is wreaking havoc in the country. The rapidity of spread and severity of infection is many folds more than the first wave. The alarming rise of number of cases has caused shortage of COVID beds, oxygen and vaccination medicines. In order to contain this rapid COVID-19 surge and strengthen the vaccination drive, our regulatory body, the Ministry of Education, Government of India, has decided that the health clinic of all central universities will function as vaccination center temporarily. The mandate of this vaccination center is not only to vaccinate the university staff, but also to supplement state government's effort in fight against COVID by opening the center for vaccination of members of general public. Following this mandate, Sikkim University is starting a vaccination center from 10/5/21, which is today, in the Department of History, Samdur Padong, under the leadership of Dr. Manjushri Thapa, our SMO, our Senior Medical Officer of Sikkim University. The vaccination center is managed by Sikkim University Health Clinic staff, with vaccination supplied by the state, vaccination supplied by the Health Department, Government of Sikkim. The university has already successfully organized a 4-day vaccination drive, again under the leadership of Dr. Manjushri Thapa, in the last month. The vaccination center will function 3 days in a week for 3 weeks. Presently, the center will cater to people of age equal to or more than 45 years for the first and second dose. Since our resources are limited, the decision to participate in the vaccination drive of 18 to 44 years age group is yet to be taken. Thank you, gentlemen, and now I will request Dr. Manjushri Thapa to elaborate further on vaccination center, the protocol and the timings, etc., the mandate, etc. Dr. Manjushri Thapa.
Center, which is in history department, will function. We'll start actually registration from 10:30 onwards. So 10:30 in the morning we'll start the registration, because we have this lockdown till 9 o'clock, so we cannot expect our staff to come early also. So 10:30 we are starting the registration. I'm audible? Okay. So 10:30 we are starting the registration, and after registration we are starting the vaccination at 11 o'clock. We are planning to continue till 3 o'clock because people will have to return. Okay, we are not taking any breaks in between, but we'll go on till 3 o'clock. And we ask and we appeal the people also that when they do come for vaccination, please follow the COVID protocol. Use double mask right now. Okay, maintain a safe distance. Maintain the safe distance and sanitize yourself. Get your Aadhaar cards or whichever document you have used to register yourself, because if you do not do that, then it will take a longer time for you to get registered, and you will have to have a lot of interaction with us, which we would like to avoid just in case. Okay, so get all your documents, basically get all your documents. So this is what we want from the public, and they can always come and ask us if they have any problem, if they have any comorbidities, instead of just coming and saying I'm 45 plus and getting a vaccine. If you have any problem, let us know, so that if there is any problem, we'll be able to decide whether to give you the vaccine or not to give you the vaccine, number one. If any problems are to be anticipated, we can do that and be ready for you, right? So do inform us about that also. We are going to carry this vaccination drive on alternate days, Monday, Wednesday and Friday for 3 weeks, so that we can cover all the most of the second doses of 45 plus. And if in between the state gives us 18 plus to 44, we will think about it then. So right now we have for only 45 plus.